Go, play. Wow, faucet. What else? Wow, you have veggies there. Wow, that's a carrot. Oh, cooking it in the measuring cup. Wow, you're cooking? Yes. Okay. So you have veggies. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. You have the stove right there. The pans, plates. Now the stove. You have here the oven. Chip, 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 chip. Oven. Another stove. Another stove right here. Yeah, that's right. That's how you use it. You have utensils. Oops. Wow! And you have cabinet. What's inside your cabinet, Kai? Let's see. Whoa! You have plates? You have plates here? Whoa! Okay. So that's the Just Like Home kitchen. Say bye, Kyrie. Bye. Say bye.